Hey Money Loves, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, today I have another wig for you. This is the beautiful gray lace wig from UGlam hair. I decided to go with the gray lace front wig, the silver color, straight. The inches of this wig is in 22 and I did cut it. I did show a little bit of how I cut it in this video. I'm not a professional cutter, but I do know how to cut my own hair. I just freehanded and cut it, figured out a technique. This is what I got. As y'all see, I did more of like an angled bob and it's shorter on this side. I think it came out really well. As y'all can see, I put the hairline a little bit. It did come natural, and then of course I did my sideburn per usual, plucked the parting, and yeah, same thing over here, just a little sideburn and everything like that. Usually I would tell you guys to put your makeup on before you apply your wig, but this time I did a little bit differently just so I can go ahead and style and cut the hair without the hair getting all over my face. I just wanted a clean face so I can style the hair. It still turned out okay. I did still get a little bit of makeup on the hair, but it's not that noticeable. I did want to give you guys a couple of details about the company. Again, this wig is from UGlam hair. I will have the website in the description down below. At first the company emailed me and wanted to do a collaboration for this hair. I picked the hair, of course. I wanted 24 inches, a certain density and all of that. I didn't end up getting that. I ended up getting 22 inches because they were out of stock. And then it was supposed to be 180 density, but I feel like this hair is more like 130. That's why I went ahead and decided to cut it into a bob. I still feel like this style looks way better than the long length anyway. I do love the hair. It is very soft. It didn't come with the smell, and the hairline was already naturally pre-plucked, which I liked. I didn't have to do much to that. Other than that, I would just say customer service is kind of like but the hair is very nice. Also wanted to come into this light, the natural lighting, to show you guys what the actual hair color is, because in the lighting where I am filming this video, the hair does come off like a purple color, but this is the color of it is a gray silver color. I also want to let you guys know what the hair came in. The hair came in this black box, and on the front of it, it says UGlam hair product. And as you can see, you can open it up. Of course, the hair came in this plastic bag with the hairnet. It also came with some nude wig caps, as well as some bobby pins, which everyone always will need is a bobby pin or two, girl, because somehow they just disappear, and I just appreciate that little gift inside. Also inside came UGlam's hair tips, as well as their social media platforms and contact information. On the back it has the hair tips and how to install a wig. Also, the wig construction of this hair, this is a glueless cap. I did not have to do pretty much anything to this hair. As y'all see in this video, all I did was place it on my head, pluck a few strands out, and then I actually used hairspray to hold the hair down. Nothing else, no glue, no gel, no anything, just hairspray, and blow dry it in place, and it stayed just about the same. As y'all can see, everything is secure for the moment, at least. This is just a temporary thing that I do if I just want to throw a wig on and go, and then I can be able to take it off at night. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, definitely keep on watching this video. The details about this hair will be in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
You serve me
this is the finished look right now. As y'all seen in the beginning of the video, I showed y'all the true color of this hair. With this lighting, it's coming off like a purple kind of lavender, but it's actually like gray, like silver gray. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this bob. How did I do? Leave video suggestions down below. What kind of hair do you guys want me to try next? Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.